What if the most valuable product ever created isn't a car, a phone, or even a computer? What if it's a $10,000 robot? According to Elon Musk, that future might be closer than we think. He recently made a bold prediction. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, could eventually become the most valuable product ever made. Not just another cool tech gadget, not just a prototype locked away in a lab, but a real robot that people could actually buy, bring home, and use every day. And the price? Possibly as low as $10,000 to $20,000. Think about that for a moment. Many people spend that much on a used car or even on smartphones over a few years. Now, imagine spending that amount on a robot that can walk around your house, help with chores, assist in factories, and even learn new tasks on its own. Welcome to TechStar, where we explore the most exciting technologies shaping our future. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to TechStar, and share this video with someone who loves future technology. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's talk about the big question. What can Tesla's Optimus actually do? You've probably seen the demo clips already. The robot walking smoothly across a factory floor, folding clothes, sorting objects, even catching a tennis ball. It looks impressive. But the real question isn't whether it looks cool. The real question is whether it can solve real-world problems. One of the biggest challenges for humanoid robots has always been mobility. Walking on flat ground is easy, but real life isn't flat. There are stairs, slippery floors, uneven terrain, and tight spaces. Earlier versions of Optimus could move at about 5 kilometers per hour and step over small obstacles, but stairs were still a challenge. The new generation changes that. Tesla redesigned the robot's ankle structure and added a predictive balance system that constantly analyzes motion data. Every few milliseconds, sensors measure movement and adjust balance in real time. Instead of moving awkwardly, the robot flows smoothly, almost like a carefully choreographed dance. And that matters more than you might think, because if a robot can't safely navigate a staircase, it becomes useless in most homes. Another major upgrade is the robot's hands. Early versions had limited sensitivity. They could pick up boxes, but delicate tasks were difficult. Now, the new design doubles the number of joints and dramatically improves touch sensitivity. The robot can feel pressure, detect temperature changes, and even sense soft collisions. Why does that matter? Because trust matters. You might be okay with a robot lifting heavy boxes in a warehouse, but would you trust it to handle food in your kitchen or help an elderly family member? That level of precision is essential. And that brings us to one of the most important potential uses for humanoid robots: caregiving. Around the world, populations are rapidly aging. Caring for elderly family members requires constant attention, but no human caregiver can stay alert 24 hours a day. A robot could. Tesla is designing Optimus to detect falls, monitor movement, and even call emergency services if something goes wrong. Sensors can detect subtle changes in balance and react within milliseconds. If someone slips, the robot could either stabilize them or immediately call for help. Of course, safety like this requires careful testing. That's why large-scale deployments in caregiving will likely take several more years. Now, if you're enjoying this breakdown of future technology, take a second to like the video, subscribe to TechStar, and share it with friends who are curious about AI and robotics. Your support helps us bring more content like this. Of course, price will determine whether Optimus becomes truly revolutionary. Most humanoid robots today cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. That puts them far outside the reach of normal households. Tesla's strategy is different. Instead of building entirely new components, the company is reusing technologies it already produces for electric vehicles: motors, batteries, power electronics, manufacturing systems. All of these already exist inside Tesla's factories. That experience allows the company to scale production much faster than most robotics companies, and scale is the key to lowering costs. Tesla is reportedly aiming to build thousands of robots first for its own factories. Inside production lines, Optimus could move parts, perform inspections, and handle repetitive tasks. In some cases, one robot might replace 2 or 3 human workers in highly repetitive roles. That doesn't necessarily mean fewer jobs overall. Historically, automation tends to eliminate some roles while creating entirely new industries. Think about smartphone apps. Before the iPhone, an app developer wasn't really a career. Now it's a massive global industry. The same could happen with robotics. Entirely new jobs could emerge. Robot trainers, robot maintenance specialists, AI behavior designers, and more. Another interesting aspect of Optimus is how it learns. Traditional robots rely on carefully written code for every task. Optimus uses a different approach. Instead of being programmed step by step, it learns by observing. Show the robot a video of a person performing a task, then let it try. At first, it might fail. It might drop objects or move inefficiently, but with each attempt, the system collects data and improves. Over time, the robot becomes better at the task. This kind of learning system is inspired by how humans learn. We watch, we imitate, we practice, and eventually we master the skill. This learning approach could allow Optimus to adapt to completely new environments without needing constant pre-programming. Still, there are real challenges ahead. Robots can misunderstand voice commands, sensors can fail, software bugs can appear, connectivity issues can interrupt remote monitoring. Tesla is addressing these problems with layered security systems and continuous software updates. If someone tries to tamper with the robot, built-in security hardware can block unauthorized updates. There are also alarm systems and location tracking features in case the robot is stolen. The physical design also helps shield internal electronics from common electromagnetic interference. All of these protections aim to make the robot safe enough for everyday environments. Weather and durability are another challenge. Homes, farms, and outdoor areas expose machines to dust, moisture, and cold temperatures. The latest design can tolerate light rain and operate in freezing environments thanks to a self-heating battery system. Future upgrades may even include specialized terrain kits for rough environments. But perhaps the most fascinating part of the story is the scale Tesla is aiming for. The company plans to produce thousands of robots first, then tens of thousands, eventually potentially millions. Tesla believes these robots could play a critical role inside future factories, including production lines for autonomous vehicles like the Cybercab. Some manufacturing experts even believe highly automated lines could eventually produce cars incredibly quickly. Whether that happens remains to be seen, but one thing is clear. Humanoid robots are no longer just science fiction. They are quickly becoming real machines designed to work alongside humans. And if Tesla manages to deliver a capable humanoid robot for around $10,000 to $20,000, it could completely reshape industries, households, and the global economy. Imagine a robot that helps clean your house, carries groceries, waters plants, loads the dishwasher, or even helps take care of elderly family members, all while learning new skills over time. That's the future Tesla is betting on. And if the company succeeds, Optimus might become one of the most transformative technologies ever built. So here's the big question. If a capable humanoid robot actually launched at around $10,000 to $20,000, would you buy one immediately, or would you wait and see how it performs in the real world first? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Techstar, and share it with someone who loves future tech. Thanks for watching Techstar. We'll see you in the next video.